ATOSKIN Scalp Serum is a lightweight leave-on scalp care product designed for consumers who want to add a dedicated treatment step to their hair and scalp routine without relying on heavy oils, thick creams, or products that need to be washed out after application. The product is positioned around scalp comfort, hydration, oil balance, and general maintenance, and its formulation combines ingredients such as Zinc PCA, AquaXyl-related moisturizing components, botanical extracts, soothing ingredients, and rosemary leaf oil. From a practical perspective, the lightweight format is one of its more noticeable features because scalp treatments can sometimes leave the roots feeling coated or greasy, particularly when they contain larger amounts of oils or occlusive ingredients. A serum that absorbs relatively quickly may therefore be more convenient for people who want to use a scalp product during the day or incorporate one into an existing hair care routine without significantly changing the appearance or feel of their hair. The product is applied directly to the scalp rather than primarily to the lengths of the hair, which makes its intended purpose different from a conventional conditioner, hair mask, or styling serum. This targeted approach may be useful for consumers whose main concern is the condition and comfort of the scalp rather than dryness or damage along the hair shaft. One of the notable ingredients in the formula is Zinc PCA, which is commonly used in cosmetic products aimed at supporting oil control and maintaining a balanced skin environment. For individuals who experience a scalp that becomes oily relatively quickly, the inclusion of Zinc PCA may make the product particularly interesting. However, the presence of an oil-balancing ingredient does not mean that it will necessarily reduce oil production for every user, since scalp oiliness can be influenced by genetics, hormones, washing habits, environmental conditions, hair density, and other factors. The serum also contains moisturizing components intended to help maintain hydration. This is relevant because an overly dry or compromised scalp can sometimes feel tight, uncomfortable, or flaky, and simply using products designed to remove oil may not always provide a comfortable routine. A balanced approach that combines cleansing with appropriate hydration can be preferable for some users. The formula also includes ingredients such as Centella asiatica, madecassoside, and allantoin, which are commonly associated with soothing and skin comfort formulations. These ingredients may make the serum appealing to people who prefer products intended to support a calmer-feeling scalp, although cosmetic ingredient benefits should not be interpreted as guarantees of a particular medical outcome.